Okay, so this is a quick tutorial on how to make an end of year fundraising report. So this is for a report you want to see all your contacts and what their donation history looks like. So you could go ahead and fundraise for the end of year and you know how to appeal to them. So you want to go to administer, first thing, custom data and screens, and summary fields. You want to make sure that these summary fields are set up. So we're going to go down here and we're going to select the combined, and this is the reason we're doing this because we want to include the information of the wife and the husband in the same row. We want to combine the donation of the whole family as a whole rather than see the wife and the husband on a separate row. So we're going to combine the related contact contribution of all time, contact and related contact contribution for year before last calendar year, for last calendar year, and for this calendar year. This is the ones we want. We're going to include all the financial types that we want. So, we usually want to avoid tuition and like events. We want to use the financial types um, that are relevant to donation specifically. Okay, so we select the financial type. We're just going to do spouses for this one. And for the last three things, we are selecting the second option on all of them. So this one, whenever scrum job runs, no, and when I submit the form. So I'm gonna hit save. All right, great. So this is saved. And that is gonna do is I'm gonna open here this guy, and it's gonna give me these summary fields over here, and it's gonna give me the data of for this person as a field on his profile. So now I want to create a report. So I'm going to go and I'm going to create a new report from template. I'm going to do constituent report, and I'm going to go ahead and add. We want contact name, phone, maybe email. Let's do that for now. You could add whatever you want, and then summary fields. You want to add all these summary fields. Finally, we are going to look at. Yeah, I think that's it. That's all we're adding for now. You might want to add household greetings. That's what I was thinking about. Might want to add like joint full or uh, to include the husband and wife on the row, the names at least. All right, so now we're going to click view results. Okay, so these are my results. It's showing me all my contacts and their donation history. Now, there's a lot of contacts who didn't donate. So if I want, I could use the filters to filter those out. Um, I could say that their lifetime, where is it, the lifetime? Here, the combined amount has to be less or more, greater or equal to 5. And then automatically it's going to remove everybody who's empty. Or I could filter by group. I use the filter group and put a group and say, just show me this group of people. And then once you do that, you can export it. So you go to, well, you could create it, right? So you could click create report. You could export it to CSV, however you want to do it.